See, now I know. Where did you get the prevail? Huh? Ayun oh. Yan pala yun. Kaya sabi niya sa akin, she told me, prevail daw, prevail. Yun oh. Do you know the meaning of prevail, Chelsea? Chelsea, do you know the meaning of prevail? Prevail means to win or triumph. Right? You win. So this one is prevail. Maybe this is the for them is like the strongest what diaper, right? See, maximum, look at this, maximum, see, maximum plus absorbency, right? So dito niya nakuha yung word na prevail. Ayan, saka katutok eh, mahilig magtutok ng mga words. Ayan oh. Parang vacuum siya eh, she's like vacuum. Kahit yung pinakamalit na detalye, kita niya. Oh, ayan siya eh. Ganyan. She's like that. Right, Chelsea? Ever since. Since young. Ganyan siya. No, Chelsea, no. This is, ganyan siya eh. Ganyan talaga siya eh. Mahilig siyang tumutok. Kahit sa ang mga Kaya yun. Kaya yung word na to, prevail, dito pala niya nakita.